This protection relay setting interactive calculator helps engineers determine optimal overcurrent relay parameters for power system protection. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate pickup current setting. Calculate time multiplier setting. Calculate relay operating time. Calculate coordination time interval. Calculate plug setting multiplier, or calculate required fault level for operation. For this demo, I'm using Calculate Pickup Current setting. Next, choose your relay curve type: standard inverse, very inverse, extremely inverse, or long time inverse. I'll use standard inverse. Now enter your values: load current in amps, CT primary rating in amps, plug setting as a percentage, fault current in amps, time multiplier setting or TMS, desired operating time in seconds, downstream relay, time in seconds, upstream relay time in seconds, and pickup current in amps primary. Using these test values: 150 amp load current, 200 amp CT primary rating, 125% plug setting, 3200 amp fault current, 0.15 TMS, with timing values of 0.5, 0.35, and 0.65 seconds and 250 amp pickup current, the calculator returns. Primary result of 200 amps, secondary value showing 100% plug setting, PSM multiplier indicating 1,000 amp CT secondary, and status notes confirming a 33.3% margin. These results ensure proper relay coordination and system protection. Find the link in the description below.